friends, welcome back to Sayyada Academy. So yesterday I have told you how to make a ledger account and I have made some entries according to it. So now I will proceed with my others. Yesterday I have write the ledger account of 3 entries. Now I will start from the fourth one. The fourth one, as you can see here, is purchase debit and account payable credit. It means there will be two accounts will be used in this section for. This one is purchase and the other one is accounts payable. Okay, so first we will start from purchase. That as you can see in the entry, purchase is debited. Let me show you again. In the fourth entry, purchase is debited and account payable is credited. Purchase is debited because of account payable. तो परचेज के सेक्शन में अकाउंट पेएबल पे अकाउंट पेएबल लिख के डेबिट साइड पे अमाउंट उतारेंगे, क्योंकि परचेज डेबिट हो रहा है किसकी वजह से, अकाउंट पेएबल की वजह से। सिमिलरली अकाउंट पेएबल के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट साइड पे परचेज लिख के अमाउंट कॉपी करेंगे, which is 10,800. Now we will proceed on the other entry, that is sixth one, fifth one. So as you can see in the fifth entry, account receivable debit and sales credit. इसका मतलब है इसमें हमें दो अकाउंट चूज करने हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज सेल्स एंड अदर वन इज अकाउंट रिसीवेबल, विच इज रिटन ऑन द अदर पेज. So we will start from sales. As you can see in the entry that sales is credited because of account receivable. तो sales के ledger account में credit side पे account payable लिख के amount को note down करेंगे. Which is 12,960. Now we will proceed to account receivable. As you can see in the entry that it is written account receivable is debited, यानी अकाउंट रिसीवेबल के लेजर अकाउंट में डेबिट साइड पे सेल्स लिख के उसकी अमाउंट लिखी जाएगी, which is 12,960. Okay, so it is done for today's video. I have left 3 or 4 entries for you to make a ledger account. If you have any query or question, you can ask it on my channel. I will make a video on it. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, and you can comment all your queries here. Thank you.